What's going on, everyone? So we're back today to start working on the boat. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be ripping out the old carpet and getting started on also getting like the old glue and everything scraped off. There's a few things, of course, we're going to be using for that, and I'm going to show you that here in a second. So for ripping the carpet out, honestly, I'm just going to do it by hand. Also apologize, it's like really windy out here today. I'm going to be ripping most of the carpet out by hand. You see I kind of started up there at the front. It's pretty dry and, well, it comes out very easily. So we're going to be getting that out. And then there's a lot of dry glue on the aluminum and stuff. We're going to be using Goof Off for this. Goof Off is some really awesome stuff. It can peel off glue, adhesives, paint, all kinds of good stuff. You just literally wipe it on with a rag and it normally comes right off. We're going to be using that to get the old glue off the boat itself. So the Goof Off won't be able to get all of it off probably just because it's very old, it's very dry. We got a very heavy steel scraper I had to go and buy, because all the scrapers I have are like very flexible, they don't do. But so I got me a really heavy duty one from Lowe's today. We're gonna be using that to scrape off all the old glue that's on the boat. But first things first, we gotta get all the old carpet stripped off and go from there. So let's get started on that. So I got all the carpet out of there. The problem now is, you see all this, and I done pulled out a bunch of it already. This is actually a bunch of the old floor. So all the floor underneath was rotted out. So we're gonna have to put in a new floor, which not too hard actually, so that's fine, not a big deal. So we're going to work on that before we can get the new carpet in, but that's okay. So I have lots of wood and stuff I can use to make a flooring in here, so not too worried about that. But all right, now you get the rest of this cleaned up. So I got most of the boat cleaned up at this point. I got most of it vacuumed out. I'll show you the finished results here. So you see all this is stripped out. All that is now cleaned up and got it all vacuumed out there and all that good stuff. Gonna have to probably end up replacing that board too. It's pretty bad, definitely. The top part's not bad because it's been under there, but the bottom part here is, well, you can see it's pretty bad. So I'm gonna have to probably replace that as well. Not a big deal. It's all, it seems hard, but it's not. So it's just gotta do it. So cool. All right, so that's going to end it for today. Got a good start on it, I believe. So next episode we're going to be, I'm gonna work on getting the rest of the dry glue and everything stripped out of here. Actually not as much as I thought there'd be. So it's not going to be quite as hard as I thought. Mainly just top of the metal here and around the sides a little bit towards the front. Seems to be where most of it was at. The other dry glue, of course, was on the rotted floor, so that's not there anymore. So not to worry about that, I guess. So we're gonna work on getting that in the next episode, and then also work on getting a floor cut and ready to go in here, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys. If you want to make sure to keep track of all the boat episodes and everything to see how the renovation of the boat's going, you know what you gotta do. You gotta drop a thumbs up on this video, drop some comments, and then of course subscribe to the channel to follow along with the boat renovation. But till next time, guys, keep it real. This makes this hard.